Talking about mental health, it's still considered a taboo in our society, but various actors have finally started opening up about their struggle with mental health in order to destigmatize the conversation, urging people not to judge.
I've been to a doctor. I'm clinically depressed.
I found comfort in sleep because I felt like that was my escape.
I used to lock myself in my house. I never used to step out from my house.
In a film industry where the pressure to always stay relevant and in vogue is a big unsaid rule, it is not uncommon for actors to struggle with their mental illness. This battle with depression was considered taboo and never spoken about until recently, when Bollywood A-listers like Deepika Padukone came out clean about their battle with depression. Several actors chose to talk about their experiences on World Mental Health Day, which was on the 10th of October, and urged people to remove the fear of being judged. One such personality was Aamir Khan's daughter Ira, who in her Instagram post revealed that she has been clinically depressed for more than 4 years. On the occasion, Ira shared a video in which she opened up about her mental health battle.
I've been to a doctor. I'm clinically depressed.
She began the video by saying, "Hi, I'm depressed. I have been for more than 4 years now. I have been to a doctor and I'm clinically depressed. I'm doing much better now. For over a year now, I wanted to do something for mental health, but I wasn't sure what to do."
See what happens. Hopefully, we'll get to know ourselves slightly better, understand mental illness slightly better.
She was also quoted saying, "Let's start from where I started. What do I have to be depressed about? Who am I to be depressed? I have everything, right?"
So, let's start from where I started. What do I have to be depressed about? Who am I to be depressed? I have everything, right?
Soon after Ira, SRK's daughter Suhana's cryptic post about a nervous breakdown went viral. The post shared by Suhana only had the word nervous breakdown in it, and people came to ponder upon how there could be more to it than just that word. She simply shared a still from Pedro Almodovar's 1988 film Women on the Verge of a Nervous Breakdown and captioned the image as "Women on the Verge of a Nervous Breakdown." This has led to a lot of speculation over whether Suhana is also on the verge of a breakdown. Actress Kangana Ranaut compared her story with that of Aamir Khan's daughter Ira a day after she revealed her diagnosis of being clinically depressed, and wrote, "At 16, I was facing physical assault, was single-handedly taking care of my sister who was burnt with acid and also facing wrath of the media." Hinting at the separation of Ira's parents, Aamir, and his first wife, Reena Datta, as the cause of Ira's depression, the actress further added, "There can be many reasons for depression, but it's generally difficult for broken families' children. Traditional family system is very important." Actors like Deepika Padukone, Anushka Sharma, Shah Rukh Khan, Tiger Shroff, among others, have openly spoken about their struggles, encouraging fans to treat depression like the medical condition that it is, and not a taboo topic which cannot be mentioned in social circles. Deepika Padukone, who was diagnosed with depression in 2014, has spoken about her battle with it, calling for greater public discussion to help tackle the mental health crisis. She also revealed that while battling with depression, all she wanted to do was sleep, as she didn't have to deal with the reality while being asleep. Padukone, post defeating her depression, also took a step ahead in this journey and established a Center for Mental Health by the name Live, Love, Laugh Foundation in 2015 to help people who are going through the same.
I'd be scared to wake up. I didn't want to wake up. I wanted to always, I found comfort in sleep because I felt like that was my escape. and like waking up was a struggle.
Besides the Padmavat, actor Anushka Sharma also talked about the need to normalize anxiety and other mental health conditions. She was brave enough to speak about how she suffers from anxiety and accepted being on medication for the same. She also revealed about the earlier existence of depression in her family and emphasized upon how people should be talking about this as openly as possible. She spoke at length about how she wants to completely erase the shame related to anxiety and depression. Actor Sanjay Dutt has battled more troubles than most of the actors in Bollywood. After he lost his mother and his wife due to cancer, followed by allegations of his involvement in the 1993 Mumbai blasts, he revealed that his imprisonment got him into depression. Shah Rukh Khan also had to fight this dreaded mental health condition when he was already in a tremendous amount of pain due to his shoulder surgery in 2010. The superstar was quoted as saying, "Due to the shoulder injury and the suffering, I got into a depression mode. But now I'm out of it. I feel happy and boosted with energy." Tiger Shroff also faced a hard time when his Flying Jet bombed at the box office. He revealed that he went through a very low phase during that time and got into a lot of emotional eating, something a fitness fanatic like him would never do. Actress Ileana D'Cruz also revealed her struggle with body dysmorphic disorder, a type of mental illness that involves obsessive attention on perceived deficiencies in appearance. Even Karan Johar and singer Honey Singh made sure to step up and be vocal about the kind of adversities and the struggles that they had faced, hoping to inspire other people to do the same. While Karan Johar in a television interview admitted about his battle with depression and how he took anti-anxiety medication to heal himself. Singer Honey Singh went a step further and even shared his bipolar disorder diagnosis and how he had locked himself in his Noida house for 18 months, changing medications, and how alcoholism coupled with a bipolar disorder took a toll on him. And finally, these conversations gain even more importance in a case like Sushant Singh Rajput, who reportedly died by suicide, and that case is still grabbing eyeballs. The actor's therapist confirmed that he was suffering from depression, a fact also acknowledged by his girlfriend Riya Chakravarti.
तो मैंने उनसे बात की और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि 2013 में उनके साथ ऐसा हुआ था जब उनको एक डिप्रेसिव एपिसोड हुआ था. That's when Sushant confessed to me कि 2013 में वो एक साइकाइट्रिस्ट से मिले थे. उसके बाद वो ठीक थे. बीच-बीच में उन्हें कभी-कभी एंजाइटी अटैक्स होते थे.
While depression today still continues to be treated as a taboo, these Bollywood stars have managed to break through the shackles of conviction and urged people to follow and lead the path of normalizing mental health conditions. A cause which needs to be spoken about much more. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.